Hello students, this is Latif sir. Today I'll discuss about ICSE Class 6 Chemistry. The topic is element, compounds and mixture. This is my second video on this topic. Today I'll discuss about elements and compounds. So what is a element? What is today I'll discuss about symbol of an element. So what is symbol? A chemical symbol is the representation of an element, representation of an atom of an element. A chemical symbol is the representation of an atom of an element. For example, chemical symbol of hydrogen is H, for carbon C. Many scientists were trying to represent the element in terms of symbol. Among them, Lavoisier, Dalton, Berzelius are important. Lavoisier was the first scientist who introduced the system of nomenclature of elements. Later, Dalton gave the atomic theory and proposed a new set of standard symbol for the chemical elements. And later, Berzelius suggested the use of letter as symbol. Berzelius symbol have been derived from the English and Latin names of the element in the following manner. So let's see the manner or method of representation of element in terms of symbol. First, symbol of some see first point symbol of some elements are derived from the first letter of their English name and are represented by capital letter. For example, symbol of hydrogen is H, symbol of carbon is C, symbol of nitrogen is N. The just first letter of this element. You have to write the symbol just the first letter of this element in capital. You have to write. Second method, if two or more elements have if two or more elements have same beginning with the same letter, one more letter is added to the first letter to distinguish them. For example, chromium and cobalt both start with C, or chromium and copper both start with C. Then how to symbolize them? In that case, you have to use two letter, the first letter and one more letter. Okay. For example, symbol of chromium is Cr, symbol of chlorine is Cl, not only C. Only C is represent carbon. Okay. The symbol is written with the first letter in uppercase and the second letter in lowercase. Some example: element symbol: helium start with H. Hydrogen also start with the H, but for hydrogen we are hydrogen is represented by only H. So how helium will represent? Helium is represented by two letter H and E. Magnesium Mg, aluminium Al, silicon Si, chlorine Cl, calcium Ca, magnesium manganese Mn. Okay, cobalt Co, zinc Zn. Now, symbol of elements are derived from, in some cases, symbol of some elements are derived from their Latin names. For example, sodium symbol is Na, which is taken from Latin name of sodium, natrium. Potassium Latin name is kalium, so symbol is C. Iron Latin name is ferrum, iron symbol is Fe. Copper symbol is cuprum, symbol is Cu. Gold Latin name is Latin name of gold is Latin name of silver is argentum, symbol is Ag. Latin name of gold is aurum, symbol is Au. For mercury, Latin name is hydrargyrum, symbol is Hg. For lead, symbol is Pb, Latin name is plumbum. For tin, symbol is Sn, Latin name is stannum. Now periodic table. What is periodic table? Scientists have arranged there. I have already told in the previous video that in the nature there are almost 118 elements, and all the elements are represented by some symbol. Uh, and I have already told the how to symbolize an element. In here you can see according to Berzelius, using their English name and Latin name. Okay. Now periodic table, and all these elements arranged by many scientists in the tabular form. So, what is periodic table? Scientists have arranged the known elements using their symbol in a table, and the table is called modern periodic table. A part of this modern periodic table is shown in figure below. Here is a modern periodic table. You can see here there are some groups. Groups means verticals column, and periods are horizontal rows. Huh. So let's see. Scientists have arranged the known elements using their symbols in a table called modern periodic table. A part of this modern periodic table is shown below. The horizontal rows of the periodic table are known as periods, and they are represented as period 1, period 2, and so on. There are total 7 periods in the periodic table. Horizontal periods are known as horizontal rows row are known as period, and vertical columns are known as group. Okay, so 7 period, you can see here period written, it is written that period 1 2 in the left side, period 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 7 period. And groups, the vertical columns are known as groups. They are represented as 1a, 2a, 3a, 3b, 4a, 4b, like this, up to there are total 18 groups. You can see here, you can count here, written group at the top, and group 1a, 2a, 3b, 4b, 5b, like this, and there are total 18 groups. Uh, elements are arranged in the small box. Okay, in this periodic table, each small box contain one element. Hmm. So the first 20 elements in the periodic table are hydrogen, H symbol is H, helium symbol is He, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, and calcium. These are first 20 elements of this periodic table. Okay, you have to remember. uh, you have to remember the first 20 elements of periodic table and their symbols also. Now, chemical formula of elements. The chemical formula of an element is the representation of a molecule of that element. It is it represents the number of atoms in one molecule of the element. For example, H2 is the chemical formula of hydrogen molecule. Okay, but only H is the formula of hydrogen atom. But H2 means chemical formula of hydrogen molecule. So hydrogen, in hydrogen molecule there are two hydrogen atom. Now atomicity is the number of atoms present in one molecule of an atom. Huh. Uh, Number of atoms present in one molecule of an element is known as its periodicity. The number of atoms present in one molecule of an element is known as its periodicity. Now some notes. Hmm. If a molecule consisting of a single atom, then the molecule is known as monoatomic molecule. That is atomicity is 1. If a molecule consists two atoms, then it is known as diatomic molecule. That is atomicity is 2. If molecule consists three atoms, then it is triatomic molecule. That is atomicity 3. If a molecule made up four atom, or yeah, more than one atoms, then if more than one atoms are present in the molecule, then it is known as polyatomic molecule. That is atomicity is greater than 1. All diatomic, triatomic, all these molecules are also polyatomic molecule. Okay. In writing chemical formula of element, the number written before a symbol represent the number of following atoms or molecule. For example, 2n, which represent two nitrogen atom, but N2 represent one nitrogen molecule. 2N2 means two nitrogen molecule, but 2N means two nitrogen atom. Okay, so 2N and N2 are not same, because 2N means two nitrogen atoms and N2 means one nitrogen molecule. Here in the box, some example of some element and their atomicity and molecular formula given. You have to read. Hmm. First, say sodium atomicity is 1, that is monoatomic molecule, molecular formula is Na. Potassium atomicity is 1, that is monoatomic molecule, molecular formula K. Similarly, for these all metals are atomic monoatomic molecule. Okay. And noble inert gases also are monoatomic molecule. Inert gases or noble gases written in the below: helium, neon, argon, these are all monoatomic molecule, and their formula is molecular formula is Hene, argon, Ar. Okay, just take a screenshot and read, write in your copies. Okay, now element is hydrogen. For hydrogen, formula is H2. The atomicity is 2, that is hydrogen is diatomic molecule. Nitrogen atomicity is 2, that is diatomic molecule, formula is N2. For carbon 1, atomicity is 1, that is monoatomic molecule, formula is C. For oxygen it is diatomic molecule, atomicity is 2, so formula is O2. Similarly, for sulfur it is octatomic or polyatomic molecule, that is formula is S8. For phosphorus atomicity is 4, that is polyatomic molecule P4, formula is P4. Metalloid arsenic monoatomic molecule, atomicity is As. Atomicity is 1, formula is As. For antimony atomicity 1, molecular monoatomic, that is molecular formula is Sb. So metals are monoatomic. All metals are monoatomic, and non-metals may be monoatomic, diatomic, polyatomic. Okay, thank you.